Okay, here's how you complete the sketch for the angle bisector conjecture. You are first going to start by making an angle, so using the ray tool. Go ahead and make an angle, and I'm going to change these to both be solid lines. So display line style solid. And then what we want to do is construct the angle bisector. So I'm going to make sure everything's deselected and then select the points in order, making sure that the vertex is the second point, and construct the angle bisector. And then let's go ahead and put a point on the angle bisector. So I can show it's the bisector by measuring the angle here, and then again measuring this angle here. Okay, so we know that these angles are congruent, so this is the angle bisector. So you'll notice even if I move A, that ray BC stays there in the middle. All right, so what do I want to show here? I want to show that this point, point C, is equidistant from the sides of the angle. To do that, I want to measure directly from C directly to the side. So I want to measure that at a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to construct a perpendicular line through C perpendicular to ray BD. So I select point C and ray BD and construct a perpendicular line. And I don't really care about the whole line, I just care about the part that goes from C to the ray. And so what I'll do then is I will hide the rest of the line. And then same thing on the other side, construct a perpendicular through C to ray AB. And again, I just am concerned about that part there. And I'll hide that. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. I'm going to show these two segments, display line style. I'm going to show those as being dashed. And I'll even make the angle bisector a different color. Make that green. Okay. So again, what I want to show is that anytime I'm on this ray BC, anytime I'm on the angle bisector, point C is equidistant from both sides. So I'm going to mark these as being right angles. So we know that the measurement is along the shortest distance. And I'm also going to measure those distances. So measure lengths. Okay. How you can kind of make this a little bit more dynamic. Again, with the lengths highlighted, we're going to go to number tabulate and set up a little table. And I might have to make some of this a little bit smaller. So let me change that to be 18. And if I double click it, it adds another row. Move this around, double click it again, adds a row, and you get a sense that no matter where this lies here on the angle bisector, the distances to each side are equidistant, they're congruent. And that's the construction or the sketch for the angle bisector conjecture.